So hello guys and welcome back to Camus, and in today's video we will cover the basic commands, beginner commands to know for using Termux. Okay, so there are two types of packages in Termux to use, like PKG and APT. Basically PKG is package manager. PKG is used basically for Termux. Okay, it's for Termux only. And APT, the advanced tools, it's used in Debian based distributions. Okay, so keep this in mind. We will use here apt and further we'll move on. Okay, so like I have done here apt update. Okay, I have shown you pkg update in the previous videos. Both are same. Pkg update or apt update are same. Okay, so now apt update is done, we will do upgrade, apt upgrade. Okay, so upgrade is also done. Zero upgraded, zero newly installed, so everything is fine. This thing shows that everything is going well. Now our next command is to clear. We will clear the screen, and then here we will move with our next command, and which will be like how to set up the storage. Okay, so for that, first we see list. The list command is used to check the things present in the working home directory. Okay, like here is a directory d1 and one file. Okay, then we will set up storage for Termux. You can do it from going from your application, then allow storage permission in Termux, or you can just type this command Termux setup storage to set up, give storage permission to Termux. As it's asking to allow, then allow it. Okay, now if we do list is basically ls command is used to show you all the directories in which the working home directory you are in. Okay, like here it is d1 storage and then one file. I want to go in storage, so I will type cd. Okay, cd storage. Okay, so I am now in storage. Cd stands for change directory. If I want to go back, then cd space dot dot to move one step upward. Okay, in Termux, moving back means moving one step upward. Okay, so keep this in mind. PWD stands for present working directory. It shows we are in home. Okay, like /data/data /com dot termux /files /home. Okay, see, this shows that we are in home. Now we will clear the screen and we will move with our next commands. Hope you are understanding. We will do ls dash all. Okay, ls dash all shows all the files which we have given the read write permission or executable permission. Okay, so I will talk about this in this video in future. Okay, so let's move on our next topic. It's a quite complex one. You will understand in after few minutes of watching it. Okay, so here you can see read write, and x stands for executable permission. So I will clear the screen here, and then I will go with my next commands. Okay, so if you want the full playlist, then please support me. Okay, and I will upload the videos based on Termux. Okay, and yeah, for sure I will be updating new videos based on Termux, and you will like it surely. So please keep on watching, and if you learn something, then practice it. Okay, practical knowledge is much more important. Okay, if you're seeing and you're not practicing, then it is your loss. I want to go in storage, then I will type change directory storage, the name of the destination. Change directory, cd stands for change directory. Keep this in mind. I will share the notes shortly. Okay, yeah, I am now in storage. Okay, so this you can see slash storage written there in green. this shows that you have changed your directory. Whenever these prompts come, this shows that you have changed the directory. And again something, if you write, then again you will be going inside that. And if you want to come back, then cd space dot dot, then to come back. Okay, keep this in mind. If I want to directly go in storage, I can type cd, and there is a symbol downward of esc downward in your cursor typing, you are typing. Okay, so beside control, left side of control, there is a tab icon. If you write cd then space then st and press that tab icon, then it automatically fills the full word. Okay, and it type basically storage. Okay, now we clear. Now how to make a directory? So to make a directory in Termux, basically follow, we need to do mkdir and then the name of the directory. X1 is the name of the directory. Then we have list, then this directory is present at the last, right side at the last. Okay, X1. So now we will clear, and then we will again move in that directory. If we want to go inside that directory, then we will do cdx1 to dive in that directory. Okay, now we are inside x1. Okay, keep this in mind, we are no more in home. Our We are not in home, our present working directory is x1. Okay, keep this in mind. As you can see, slash storage slash x1. Now I will show you how to use nano editor, a default editor used in Termux. Okay, so we will make a Python file here, nano hello.py. Hello is the name of the file and .py means Python. Py stands for Python. Now we will write a simple code here. You can write codes here. Okay, maximum lines I can't say, but you can write any script as much as long you guys like it. Okay, like I write a simple code here, hello guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, so yeah, it's a print command basically used in Python. Okay, so yeah, I want to save it, then control X, then press Y from your keyboard and enter. Okay, then you will be back to your screen. Okay, now if I want to run this hello.py file, it's a Python file, I want to run it, then it's important to know that Python is installed in your Termux or not. As I have ran this and it shows command hello in package hello, it's a wrong command. Okay, to run anything you need to write the name of that. It's a Python file, then write Python first, then write hello.py, the file name. Okay, as I am writing it, and it will show something. Okay, you need to know what it's showing. Okay, just see it, and it shows that Python is not installed. So for installing any new package, okay, in Termux, you can use pkg command, pkg install Python, for Python or any other tool you want to use, or you can use apt install Python. Okay, you can use both of them are quite suitable, but I prefer to use apt for your future needs. If you use Debian or Kali in PC laptops, then it will be useful to know these commands. Okay, it's installing, just press Y and it will accept. Okay, yeah, it's getting installed. So I am not skipping, and I am showing you whole video here. Yeah, the step by step things are here. I am installed Python here. As you can see, it's asking for the things here, and yeah, everything is done quite okay. There are many protocols it used to download, like https, http, ftp. Okay, so here Python is done. So yeah, and now we will see that the script will work or not. Okay, after installing Python we will check that our script is working or not. You need to download like this only, you need to wait like this. Okay, to get that package downloaded, then it will be unpacked. Okay, it's unpacking. Here you can see the package I have downloaded, Python, it's unpacked. Okay, everything is done. Yeah, now I want to run that command hello.py. Okay, again I will type python hello.py. Okay, and here you can see the command is running and it's successfully showing in the screen. Control L is used to clear the screen. Okay, and you can write clear also. Again I am showing that Python script is running. Okay, so I have shown you how to prepare a Python script. Okay, so now we will move to our next step, and it is clear the screen, and then we will show you something like ls is used to list, you know that, and cd space dot to move backward. Okay, okay, how to remove one directory. Okay, if you know, you made one directory by mkdir, but to remove it you need to use rm dash space dash rf, then the name of the directory you want to remove. Okay, here it is x1. Okay, so yeah, I have removed x1. Now again I will list, and x1 is just gone. Okay, no more x1, it is deleted. So it's quite complex, but you will learn. Choose accordingly, don't delete any important file of yours. Practice by making one directory and then deleting. Okay, as it will be safe one. Again I to go back, to move one step upward. Okay, we will give cd space dot dot. I will show you one magic here, C matrix. Okay, anyone have seen Matrix movie, then they can configure this. Okay, like I will install one package C matrix. Okay, it's get installed, and then I will just type C matrix, and the magic is here. Okay, it's just a funny part. Okay, it's quite good and seems like something very dangerous and giving something hacker type vibe. Okay, yeah, it's just for joyful. Okay, I hope you are enjoying the video, and please practice all the commands as I am showing. Okay, clear the screen, let's move to our next commands. Okay, so now we will discuss, as I created one directory here ls, I have shown one directory f1. Okay, now what I will do, I will create one test.py file. Okay, Python file. Okay, again I will create a Python file using nano editor. Okay, I have created it. Okay, I will just write the commands here. So further I will write command print hi. Okay, just a small command to print hi in Python. Okay, hope you all know Python. Okay, it's quite good. Okay, everything is done. Now what I will do here, it's showing f1, it is directory, then test.py, it's a file. There is difference between file and directory. F1 is in blue color, it's one directory. Now we will copy the file test.py file in f1. To copy it we will use cp command. Okay, cp stands for copy. Now if I will go inside f1 and I will do ls, then it's showing test.py file is present there. Okay, so it shows that we have copied it successfully. We will come back. Okay, now we will move, we have seen copy command, now we will move test.py file to storage. Now see how it can be done. We will use mv stands for move. Okay, we will move test.py file to storage. Okay, Yeah, it's done and it's gone. The test.py file is no more there, and we will go inside storage. Then we will do ls list. Okay, again we will list, then it's showing test.py file is at the corner. Okay, if you want to access it, it will not work as it's a python file. We need to execute it. Okay, it's a code. So basically, to execute we will write python test.py. Okay, python spelling is wrong, python. Again we will type, then it will work. Python test.py. These all things shows that Termux is case sensitive, and you need to write in a manner. If you wrote anything wrong, then it will not execute. Okay, now I will move to cd movies. Okay, now I am in storage, then movies. Now again you want to just straightforward go backward in your home. Okay, you can type cd space, then sign. Okay, this sign you can see in your keyboard, tilt sign. Okay, so yeah, you can just use it and you will be just straightforward outward in your home. We have cleared the screen. Now we will discuss some more commands. You will be familiar with this. So for that, we will be seeing apt search git to search the git packages. How many types of packages are there? Git is very popular tool. Okay, I will make a video on git also, how it works. Okay, so r64, these all things work. Okay, these are various type of packages of git. So we will install git. Okay, so how to install it? Apt install git. Okay, to install any package, these are the basic commands you should know. We will press y if we it prompts for y or no, yes or no, then we will press y and it's getting installed. Okay, in Termux, moving back means moving upward. Like in any Linux distribution, the topmost is the root. Keep this in mind. Okay, the topmost is the root, and the bottom is the upward part. Okay, like it's a tree which is upside down, which is just opposite. Okay, hope you are getting what I want to say. No, so git is installed. Okay, so here it's showing this kind of things you will be seeing in your mobile screen as well. So we will clear. Okay, we will clear the screen by clear command. Now I will show you how to install anything, any package from internet. Okay, I will open Chrome. I will go and any package you want to install, like F-Droid only. In previous video, I have shown you how to download F-Droid. Again, I am downloading using Termux. Okay, keep this in mind. So I will copy the link address. Okay, I will copy the link address here. Copied. Yeah, I will go back to Termux. Now what I will do? wget command. Wget command stands for World Wide Web Get. Okay, World Wide Web Get. As it's showing, wget command is not there. So we need to install wget command first so that we can install using wget. Okay, so I'm installing wget. Here it's again asking for y/n. Then I will press y and again it will continue. Okay, so yeah, it's done. I will clear the screen, then again I will use that command previously I have used. Okay, wget command is used. You can use arrow buttons to go backward, or you will just see the previous commands you have used. Okay, you can follow that, and yeah, it's working. Let's see, F-Droid will be downloaded. Like here you can see fdroid.apk and it is getting download. Yeah, it's done. fdroid.apk is saved. Okay, it's saved. Now if I will do ls, then it will show where you have downloaded the F-Droid. Okay, it's in home. Okay, now we will clear the screen, and if you type who am I, then it will show you a user. Okay, this is A499 and it just change accordingly. The session is expired. As you exit Termux, then again you come back, then you will type who am I, then it will be changed. Okay, Then again another command is uname. Okay, uname dash a, then it shows Linux localhost Android. It's a type of basic things you should know about your Termux. Okay, now we will clear the screen. Now if you want to check history, okay, history of your commands you have used, this shows the history as you forgot some of the commands, so that you can get that further knowledge, okay, by typing history. If I want to list all the things, commands and all the packages, then it will be listed here by pkg list all. If I want to list only the installed ones, then I will type pkg list installed. Okay, pkg list dash installed, then it will shows only the installed ones. Okay, as I am typing here pkg list installed. Okay, so here hope you are getting it what I am sharing with you. These are all the beginner commands you should know. Okay, okay, now we will do one thing here. We will go inside storage. Okay, now we will do ls list. Okay, now if I will go, if I will use list all command, okay, here, then it shows that test.py file only got read and write permission. Okay, I told you that I will talk about list all command in near future of this video. Okay, so here I am talking about it. Like rw stands for read and write. Okay, as I've shown you here. So now I want to give it a executable permission. Okay, I want to give it that, then you can type chmod change mode plus x. Okay, plus means to add. Okay, x test.py, that is the source which you want to do that. Okay, which you want to change the permission, give the read and write executable permission, that file name must be there. If I list again, then it shows rwx there, and the test.py file is in green color. Okay, so it got the executable permission. Now how to remove that executable permission? If I have given that executable permission, now I want to remove it, so that you can do it by chmod. Chmod stands for change mode minus x. Okay, plus x to add, minus x to remove, then the name of the file. Okay, yeah, it's done. Then I will clear the screen, and you can see that cd that tilt to come back. Okay, these commands are useful, you can use. Now if I want to remove any package, remove anything I have downloaded, okay, so I can type apt remove. I have downloaded git here. Okay, I am removing it. Apt remove git, it's asking for yes or no, then type give y. Okay, okay, here it is done and it is removed. Now again I want to install it, then the command is same. You can use apt install git. Okay, these are basic commands you should know. Practice it, you will get it. Okay, then we will clear the screen. Then if you want to exit, then you can type exit here. Okay, this much only. Meet you in next